I told you not to sell.
Alright guys, I'm going to go through the watch list and tell you exactly what I am looking to buy. So I'm looking to buy Nvidia stock at 105 and under. Mara stock, I'd be looking to buy that one at 12 and under. Color stock, I'd be looking to buy that at $1 and under. Does it mean they're going to come down that low? Maybe, maybe not. But they have at times come down that low. So got to take advantage when the opportunity presents itself. ARC B, I'm already in it big. But if I was looking to buy, I'd buy at 90 and under. UEC, I'd probably buy it at support down here at around like 4 and under. That's where buyers always show up, right? So 4 and under for UEC. MAGs, don't care. That's an ETF. ETF, that's dividends. Don't care for it. ETF for quantum, no thank you. This one moves too slow. Riot stock, I would look to buy at, let's say 7 and under. I like 7 and under on this one. 7 under, 7 under. That's an ETF, MSTR. If I was buying MSTR, I would wait for at least the purple line. Ideally under 300. I think it's a buy under the 300. It fluctuates around this purple line, so under 300, under 300. Going once, going twice. Sold. Okay, Palantir stock, I would look to buy at least at 100 and under. 100 and under for Palantir. IonQ. Don't care for it. SoundHound, I would look to buy at 650 and under. Bitcoin, 90K and under, so 90 bucks and under basically for ARCB, because ARCB follows it T for T. Let's continue here. I'm trying to go real fast, super fast. Serve Robotics, I know someone who bought Serve Robotics at $5, so they must be happy. I would recommend they take some off the table maybe. I don't know, maybe double down. I don't know, but that's a nice little money maker there. Join the Discord, patreon.com/seasontrades. But if I were to buy back in, I would buy at $5 and under. Sybil stock pumping huge. I already got my bag out. Woo. And I'm just not touching penny stocks again. But if this ever comes down to 003 and under, it's a buy. You want to buy down here nice and cheap, sell it to the suckers up here. That's what I've learned from holding that bag. Thankfully, I was lucky enough that it came back up for me, and I counted my blessings and I'm out. So yeah, Sybil stock, a buy under 003s. Take advantage of those longer term fluctuations. Don't be fooled. Everyone tells you that penny stocks are going to go to the moon. Yeah, that's not true. Just buy when it comes down nice and cheap to 003 and under. Mara stock, I think I already talked about that one. Tesla stock, I would wait for 250 and under. 250 and under for Tesla stock, going 3 times, 2 times, 1 times. Okay, color stock, I already said that one. GME, don't care for it. Just going down the nope, I don't really care for this one. Maybe GPU here, a good short. I don't know if you can even short this, but this one might make a good short here at $10. Every time it's come down that high, it always gets rejected up here. Look at all these rejections here. It always gets rejected and comes back down like 30-40%. So it might be a good short opportunity next week. I don't even short, but there's maybe a short opportunity there for those who want to play the puts, or I don't know if can you even buy options of that? Let's see. Let's continue. Come on. Let's go. Super fast time. It's only been 3 minutes. Cool. AITX, garbage. Going straight to triple zeros. Took the loss on that one. Got to know when to hold them, when to fold them. That's why in the Discord we have the poker table. It's named the poker table because you got to know when to walk away. Let's see. No. I think that might be it. I don't see anything else here that's interesting. SoFi, I don't really care for SoFi. I don't know why, but just call it intuition. I don't care for it. Just something tells me there's better opportunities out there. RGTI, a buy at 7 and under in my opinion. Again, we're looking to get cheap. Are all of them going to come down nice and cheap? Maybe not. Maybe they are, but you look for the ones that do come down cheap and you buy those. HIMS, I would buy under the purple line. Wait for 35 and under. Do not chase up here. Do not let people fool you into thinking that it's a buy up there. It's a buy under the purple line. Be patient, be disciplined. Load up when it's nice and cheap and no one wants it. AIMD, that's a nice bottom play right here. Wait for it to come down to the bottom between 0.40, 0.46. Set a stop loss at 0.39 and ride it up if it does pump, or take the small loss. This one has a very abusable bottom. Got to take advantage when these bottoms present themselves. I've been waiting, but it hasn't been coming down. It's just going sideways here at the 200. So just be patient. If it comes down, great. If it doesn't, oh well. IonQ, buy under. Wow, okay. If this one's a buy under 25, buy under 25, buy under 25. Shopify, don't care for it right now. BBAI, this is a buy under $3. You're going to have to hold for the big catalyst when they show up. Look at that. Pump, pump. It gets these pumps once a year, but when they come around, boy, oh boy, are people kicking themselves for not buying when it was cheap down here, when it's going sideways and no one wants it. So this is a buy under three, going once, twice, three times. Our stock is kind of like AITX stock. It has a lot of bad fundamentals, but if you want to take the risk on something that could potentially skyrocket in the future, right, once the robots start being more ubiquitous, it's a good purchase, I would say, under 150. But be aware, this is risky, very risky, very risky, very risky, like AITX. Just need to point that out. Very risky. Wow, look at that bottom on DTSS. I think it's a China stock. China. Okay, yeah, it is a China stock. Beijing. Okay, seriously though, this has a bottom down here. I would wait to buy under 180 and then take advantage of any pumps. Set a stop loss at 1.62. If it stops you out, take the loss. You don't want to hold a bag on China stocks, especially right now if they get delisted. Oh boy! So you also have that risk. Very risky, extreme risk, super duper extra risky. But those who like to be degenerates and potentially make lots of money, wait for under 2. APLD recovering, following the markets, and it's pulling back today along with the markets. This is a good sign that we might recover back to $12 because I know some people are holding bags up there. But if you look at the monthly chart, we are going sideways, and this is always a buy down here under $5. I would look to buy under 5 if you believe it's going to recover back to the top like it has in the past. So this is a buy under 5. Soundhound, I would buy under 6 at this point. Yeah, under 6. If it could come down under 6, I'd be more than happy to buy. Maybe sell a put so you can get paid to buy the shares at 6, maybe a month or 2 out. So, because I thought about doing that for sure. But they didn't really have bad earnings or good earnings. It was just kind of like, eh. So there's nothing to be concerned about there. We'll see how they perform as the earnings, as we continue on to the next earnings. But so far, nothing to be concerned about with SoundHound AI in terms of earnings. But it is a buy under $6 in my opinion. I want it cheap. I am just greedy like that. I want it cheap and even cheaper than the support at 650. That's it for the video. Did I miss something? I feel like I missed something. Wait. No, I don't think, no, these are just ETFs. Did I miss Palantir? I feel like I missed Palantir. Did I talk about Palantir? I don't know if I talked about Palantir. Maybe I did talk about it. No, I think I did. Yeah. Wait for 100 and under is what I would look for. Yeah, I already talked about this one. Okay, that's it for the video. I'll see you in the next one.